So this is how you can set a timer on the iPad to shut it off. Let's get into it. So naturally, it depends on what exactly you mean by that, because there are like few different approaches. The first one is if you want to just turn off and stop playing the music. So for that purpose, you can use the clock application where you head over into the timers and set up a regular timer for however long you want. But instead of choosing a sound that is going to be playing after the time is up, when the timer ends, when you click on that, instead at the bottom you choose stop playing. And that is useful if you have some music or podcasts, audiobooks, videos, whatever it might be playing in the background and you want to schedule that video to turn off, that might be useful. But if you want your entire iPad to be scheduled and to be like turned off, then there is a possibility to do it, but you'll need to use the shortcuts application from Apple. So it is pretty simple that way, right? And you just need to start a new shortcut. And from these actions, you want to just look up the shutdown, and it even tells you that it shuts down or restarts your device. So you can add that, right? So you can add and create a new shortcut, which is going to be called shutdown. And then you can move over into the automation and set up a new automation when we actually want to trigger that shortcut. So you can choose the time of the day and you can choose at a specific time that this shortcut is supposed to be triggered, right? So that's basically how it works. You set up at first a shortcut, which is going to turn off the iPad, and then you set up the automation when that shortcut is supposed to be triggered. So you can see many different things, like you can choose alarm, or as I said, time of the day is likely going to be the one that you are looking for. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe below to this channel for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future.